Hello, welcome back to the vlog. If you watched last week's vlog, you will realise that I'm literally sat in the same spot, and like this vlog's kind of just gonna straight continue from the last one, which was a bit of a disaster, but we're gonna try and go from there and hope that this week's vlog is a little bit better. So I just wanted to film a little intro, say hello. Today I am filming lots of YouTube videos, like I said in my last one. I think that I'm gonna film this one in a second, which is I got a bunch of the Hair Boss collection sent to me, so I'm gonna try those out for a video. Then I'm gonna film a Q&A, and then try a bit later maybe film a couple of hauls, schedule a bunch of videos. So I'm really excited for that. I actually love filming YouTube videos and editing them, but for some reason, like the getting ready for them, getting all the stuff together, setting the camera up and everything, just like I just can't seem to find the motivation to sit down and actually do any of it. But then once I get started, I love it, and I can just go forever. So I'm really excited to be filming YouTube videos today, and then I'm gonna do some editing tonight. I have a whole bunch of stuff to go to the post office because I had a bit of a clear out last night, so I sold a bunch of things on Instagram. Yeah, basically this week and probably the next few weeks is going to be a lot of hard work and working as much as I possibly can, because last week we spent about £900 at the vets, because if you want to see what was going on with Winter, you can watch the last vlog. I explained it in a lot of detail. But basically, we got him new insurance a couple weeks ago, and the insurance company doesn't cover any illnesses that occur in the first 14 days. And the day that he got sick was day 10, so we had to pay the whole shebang. Love that for us. So we paid £900 last week at the vets. We had to pay our new car insurance policy, and we always pay that for the year because it's like 20% more expensive-ish, I think, if you pay monthly. So we normally try and just pay it in like one chunk, pay for the year. So it was a big spending last week for the pair of us. And like I mentioned in last week's video, we do want to try and buy a house in the next few years. So we really need to get our butts in gear, save some money, get some things sorted. I still have to pay my student overdraft, which is like £2,000, but I have paid all of my like credit cards and like catalog debt and stuff like that. So we definitely know what we need to do to be on our way to being able to buy a house in the next few years, but it's going to take a whole lot of hard work and a lot of saving. We're hoping to use the Help to Buy so that we can use a 5% deposit. But if not, it's definitely going to take us much longer to save that money. But anyway, I'm babbling. Again, I'm always just babbling away at you guys. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead now and film my next video. Or, can you hear Winter snoring in the background? He never snores. He must be laid in a funny position. Anyway, I'm going to go film. I'll see you in a bit. So as you can see here, after I'd done with filming for the day, I went and washed my makeup brushes. I just used a solid shampoo bar and then dried them off in a towel and left them out to dry completely. And then I wrote out the labels and packaged some things up that I had sold, because I had a big wardrobe clear out last week to try and make back some of that damn vet money. Hello, back in my usual spot. Today I have literally just sat here all day editing all the YouTube videos that I filmed yesterday. I don't remember if I mentioned it in the vlog last night. I don't think I did. Somebody last night stole our HelloFresh delivery, so it was delivered to our mailroom, and then when I went to the mailroom to go and pick it up, it was just gone. So I spent a lot of time on like live chats and stuff with GPD and HelloFresh today getting that sorted, which HelloFresh have refunded us, which is great, but that means that we need food. So Phil's going to Aldi today because I have cramps and they're so bad, and I really just don't want to leave the house today. So yeah, I was on live chats trying to solve that. Also, I tried to take out a contract with 3 before Christmas, like for my phone, but then they said that they'd sent me a SIM card and it never arrived. So I ended up going with another company because they supposedly sent the SIM card like 3 times, but it never arrived. But they keep charging me every month like £20, I think. So I've been on with them today as well, trying to get them to refund my money and stop charging me. So yeah, a really boring, really admin-y day. We do have a little bit of tidying up to do. As you can see, it's not too much of a mess, but I think I'm going to do that soon. I'm just finishing off last week's vlog that was supposed to go live last night, but for some reason when I set it to upload, it just didn't. And then I tried uploading again on my laptop, it just wasn't working. So I'm trying currently to upload from my phone. It's way too bright for the camera to focus. Oh, there you go. It's trying to upload. We will see. Will it go up? Who knows, eventually I'm sure. But yeah, basically today is just a super boring admin day. I think tomorrow I'm going to take Instagram pictures and then I'm having my vaccination in the evening. So hopefully tomorrow will be a bit more interesting. Hello. So actually today I did no shooting and I ended up doing emails all day because I got like a few emails that came in that were like urgent. Oh my god. You're currently balanced on 3 toilet rolls. That's a really bad idea. I'm gonna leave it anyway. So yeah, that's why I've not really filmed again today, because I don't think you guys care to watch me literally just reply to emails all day again. But I just did something very exciting and I just got vaccinated. Let's see if I can show you. Can you see right there? And listen, if any of you have followed me for a while, you will know that I am an this is so wonky, whatever, it's not gonna get any better. I am an absolute baby when it comes to vaccines. I wouldn't say the worst phobia, I'm so sure people have it worse, but I have quite a bad needle phobia. Put it this way, the last time I went to have blood taken, I panicked so much, the nurse sent me home and I had to come back a few days later because I was too worked up and she wouldn't take my blood. So that was that. But today I was very good, very calm. I told the guy that I was nervous and then kind of he talked to me and there was like a woman there that had to check my like admin details, like my address, who I was, blah blah. So they were both talking to me at the same time and I was so overwhelmed with like who should I be replying to first that I literally didn't even realize he had done the vaccination. He was like, you're done now, and I was like, what? Like, I'm not afraid of vaccinations in the sense of being afraid of the pain. I'm afraid like irrationally. It's just pure panic. So the distraction was really good and really helped me kind of stay calm. So yeah, that's one vaccination down. I have to go back and do another one. I think they said it has to be at least 21 days apart, but it depends then obviously when I can get booked in after that. So we'll be doing the other one soon. Very excited. It feels like the world is kind of slowly moving towards being a little bit back to normal with all the like with the speed at which everybody's getting vaccinated now. It's really amazing to see how quickly it's happening. So yeah, just thought I would update you guys. Bella's gonna make us a like honey fried tofu thing tonight that we like, because obviously we don't have the HelloFresh, so he will be remaking something similar with ingredients that we do have from the Aldi shop instead. And I'm pretty much done washing my makeup off now, so I'm gonna go and read my book a bit, I think, because I need to chill out after the stress of today. Hello. Honestly, listen, if you ever see me not sat on the sofa, it'll probably be a miracle. The thing is, like, there's only so much space in the apartment. Like, there's only so many different spots that I can sit and vlog in. And I'm normally sat on the sofa, so like, why not just show you? Anyway, I wanted to check in because we've had another long day. Winter might need more tests done, might not, who knows. But we're having to collect poop samples just in case, so that's brilliant. I finished my book last night. I brought it to show you. So I read this one. It's called Foe. It's by Ian Reid and it's so good. I did clock the twist like halfway through the book though, and there were like a few loose threads at the end, which was a bit annoying. Overall it was good. I would say it's a good read, but it wasn't like one of the best ever. So today, excuse the state of the shelf, and that's Winter's toy box. I'm going to be going through, picking a new one out, but I also need to fix my jeans. I ripped a seam on some, so I want to just fix that. And then this is my job for tomorrow. So this part of the ottoman is wood there, and there, like on the inside, and that's what keeps the structure of the inside of the lid. And at some point somebody has sat on it. I think it might have been Winter jumping on it, and I don't know if I can show you very well. This has kind of split, and then the inside, like all the wood has like bent and broken. So my plan for this weekend is to buy some wood for the inside of that, unpick the whole thing and fix it. So I don't know if I'm being overly ambitious, but that's what I'm hoping to do tomorrow, which will be fun because that's been broken for like a year. Look how cute little Winter is. It is time. I'm doing the ottoman. Can you see? Ow, I think I just cut my finger on one of the nails. No, okay, safe. So this is how it looks on the inside. You can kind of see the damage a bit more. Like this side is just completely like there's no, yeah, you can see what's going on. Like this side is okay, this side is okay, those two are not. So I'm gonna try and like unpick. So it's stapled on, and I think if I unpick those staples I'll be able to see exactly what we need. Maybe I'll be able to even just fix the wood that's here. And then I will just buy some like fabric glue, Gorilla Glue or something. And then, can I just pull it now? And then I can fasten it back down. Okay, so we have the material off. I've started taking all of the staples, pins, whatever you want to call them, out of these pieces of wood, because we might try to reuse these if we can't find the right wood, or if not, we're going to throw them away, in which case we don't want it to be like cutting people. Yeah, I'm gonna measure it up now, and then we will go to B&Q and try and find some more wood like this for the sides and some glue to stick the foam back onto the wood. So we're currently sat, well, Winter and I are currently sat in the car park at B&Q while Phil goes in to get the stuff that we need for fixing the ottoman. Winter's having a little like nap. He's woken up now. Hey, good boy. So sleepy. He's very calm. He got a bit stressed that Phil was leaving, but he's calmed down now. So we actually went to the B&Q at the Trafford Centre, and then when we got there was a queue that was like 50 people long. It was really big, and Phil was like, there's no point in waiting if the queue is this long. There's another B&Q on the way home, so we came to this one instead, and there's no queue here, so he's gone in, which is really annoying because the only reason we went to the one at the Trafford Centre in the first place is because I had some money on a Starbucks gift card. So we thought, oh, we'll grab a Starbucks and Phil can run in B&Q, come home, do it. And then when we got Starbucks, the Starbucks queue was too big, so I ended up getting a coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. I didn't even particularly want, but I just wanted something to keep my hands warm while Phil was in B&Q. So yeah, we drove all the way to the Trafford Centre, so that we could get Starbucks and the B&Q. Didn't manage to either, and now we're at a different B&Q. And I'm sitting and waiting for Phil. I have 7% on my phone battery, so like, I don't know what I'm gonna do while he's gone. Just chill and enjoy a moment's peace, probably. But yeah, I also got a donut. Let me show you the donut. Winter's gonna go crazy when he sees this. This is one of their Nutella ones. I think it's like one of the Valentine's Day ones that I still have. How cute! Phil went like fully vegan a couple weeks ago, so they didn't have any donuts that he could have. So it sucks to be him. But it's a great HPV. Okay, so the finishing on a couple of these corners is a little rusty, but if you go further away, you can't really see. But we fixed it! And it sits properly. It's pretty sturdy. I'm not gonna test it, but I reckon you could probably sit on it if you wanted to. Not that I'm going to, because I don't want to have to go through that horror again. And now it's time to fix the jeans. This is out still because I think I might send it to my mom. I think she'll like it. Yes, very happy with today's project, and now I need to tidy up the mess I've made so that I can repair those jeans next. Hello, happy Sunday. So I'm just getting ready to put this video live, and I just realized that I didn't film any kind of outro for it. God, my hair looks a mess. I'm getting in the shower tonight, I promise. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the vlog here, and then I will start next week's vlog. It's so interesting, you know, like looking back on your week and like reliving it almost. It's so fun. But yeah, anyway, that's beside the point. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in next week's vlog. Bye.